foreman. We got Gumby, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this thing. Might actually have to ask him to turn it off because it's so loud.
Yeah.
And yeah. First time I've had to do that. Gumby, what the truck?
This is a customer's, Lance Patterson. This is his 2000 F-150 from Mississippi. Came to visit us, get some work done. It is a 2017 Coyote 6R80 Circle D converter. Has a P1ST supercharger. It's estimated about 600, maybe 640, 650. If we go by my 55 F100 that has a similar setup. Never been dynoed, but it's there. It's got Hotchkiss suspension, Stifler's traction bars, Dakota Digital custom gauge cluster, derail electric fans, Cook's long tube headers, Magnaflow exhaust. But it is a driver. He said he was knocking down anywhere from 18 to 20 miles per gallon.
Wow.
Cruising 75, 80 the whole way here.
Man, this thing looks like it was meant to just be in there too.
Yeah, everything works. AC, power steering, like stock.
It looks so good. You said this is a Gen 2?
Gen 2.
Nice.
Crate motor from Summit.
Okay.
Yeah, he bought it before he came in here, and then we got him the built 6R80 and Circle D converter.
Awesome. Got the Lightning on there. Do a quick run around, then we'll show him the inside and take her out. He said he still tows with this thing and everything. I think that's so awesome. I need a truck like this in my life. Never was a fan of the jelly bean style. That's what I like to call these. But this truck is changing my mind. You know, the only ones I ever thought were cool were the Lightnings and the Harley Davidson editions. But this one's a trick. Can I show him the Dakota?
Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So Gumby hit up Dakota Digital and they built him this custom setup over here, and it looks beautiful. Check that out. And then you switch it to night mode, everything goes dark. Day mode.
And you can program what color you want the dials, the backlighting. If you want red, you want purple.
Really?
If you want teal.
Anything.
This we just set up quick. Customer gets to pick what he wants. You know, what he likes, what he feels is the better.
Yeah. What's crazy is like on the inside of the truck, everything but the dashboard is bone stock. That's so awesome. Well, we're gonna rip it real quick and then I'm gonna bust the drone out and you guys will be here. So we'll see you then. All right, now Gumby, I've got a daughter at home, so just, you know.
I have a daughter at home too, so we're not gonna do anything too crazy. Plus, no replacements here, so.
Oh man, dude, this thing already sounds so cool. There's a certain sound that those give that is so beautiful.
Yes. Hey, you gotta buckle up for safety, bud.
Oh yeah.
mile motor that was in here. And yes, believe it or not, this truck has 300,000 miles.
Wow.
Little paint and some weather stripping, but the interior is all original. And I mean, you can go from basic cruising to
I was not ready.
you weren't ready.
I wasn't ready. That just threw me back in that seat. Oh man.
So that was 50 to 72, just, and that's spinning because it's a little wet today.
Yeah.
So,
that dash looks so great in there.
yeah, and it, like I said, the power by the hour hooks up with the control pack. You can see on the dash, it shows us what gear we're in.
Yep.
C6, manual 5th, manual 4th.
That's so nice. That is really, really nice.
We wanted to bring life back to a ride. It's the way to do it.
Yeah.
You have all your high school fun and still have your,
And be so unsuspecting, you know?
especially for those that bought their truck new, or it was their, you know, hand-me-down truck, and they want it to be, you know, just a better, you know, owner. You know, something
Yeah.
that, okay, now I'm going to own this for another 20 years.
Yeah. Literally breathe life back into it.
That's
you know?
right.
And it would have cost you that kind of money to get not even a decent truck anymore, because brand new POS trucks, like, you know, a work truck F150 is $30,000 these
Yes.
days. You know, back in the day, you know, that wouldn't, I'm sure you remember being able to just go buy a brand new truck, you know, $10,000, $15,000, and
Yeah, those days are long over.
long gone. And you got some beautiful roads here too.
Not bad for our little town neighborhoods.
Not bad.
This is a neighborhood, by the way.
Over.
Yeah. So there's a house there. People getting ready to build their. This flooded. This, believe it or not, this was all about 6 feet of water right here.
Really?
Where we're driving.
Wow. What? Like a
During
couple
Harvey.
weeks? Wow.
Yeah.
That's
So
crazy.
this was all underwater.
Well, we're gonna enjoy the cruise in a little bit, and then I'll catch you guys back at the shop. All right, Gumby's gonna spin her for us. freedom?
I do.
I smell the freedom.
Lance, I think that's the most fun your trunk's had. It didn't like me getting on the red lever and then letting off real fast.
Oh man.
It was making it die.
That was great. That was awesome. It doesn't like it. It just wants to drive.
Yeah. Plus, we don't want to take too much of the tires off of it.
You got to make it back home.
Yeah.
Dude, you got one bad truck.
Fun, yeah.
That is awesome.
It really turned out well.
And you daily drive this thing?
No, not the daily driver anymore.
No. Weekend warrior.
Yeah, that's it. Just having fun on the weekends. But
That's awesome.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Awesome.
But it was worth the time, time and effort, you know? Yeah.
All right, well, that's where we're gonna end this What the Truck. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. Make sure you check out Gumby at Texas Speed Lab Performance. And if you have any buddies, you should share this video with them because they're for sure gonna wanna see it. Catch you guys in the next one. Later.